Hello everyone, welcome back to CantoHousewife. Today we're making a classic Korean street food, tteokbokki, or spicy rice cake in rich flavorful sauce. So let's get started. Here is the ingredient list. First, we're gonna prepare the rice cake. If you're using packaged rice cake like I do, soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes. This will help soften them to the perfect chewy texture. Fresh rice cake, you can skip this step. Make sure you separate each pieces so nothing stick together. While the rice cake is soaking, let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, mix together gochugaru, sugar, gochujang, soy sauce, and garlic. Give it a good stir until everything is well combined. The traditional tteokbokki uses the long rice cake and fish cake with green onion, but because we don't have a Korean supermarket nearby us, I do not have access to either of them, so I just add in some toppings that I personally like mushroom, corn, and also the fish ball. Close enough, but really the sauce is so flavorful you can add in whatever topping you want and it will still taste really good. For me, because I'm using pork shoulder, so the first thing I did is actually stir fry them to make sure they're like 80% cooked. Then I slowly add in the mushroom and also the corn. Next, add in your soup stock. Cover it and bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Add in the sauce mixture and stir until it's fully dissolved. Add in the rice cake and your favorite topping. Let everything boil for 3 to 5 minutes until the rice cake are soft and chewy. To intensify the flavor, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for another 2 to 5 minutes. This will help thicken the sauce and coat the rice cake beautifully. Garnish with sesame seeds and green onion. Look at that vibrant, spicy, and glossy sauce. This tteokbokki is perfect balance of sweet, spicy, and savory. Grab a bite and enjoy this comforting Korean dish. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious dishes. See you in the next video. Bye!